Hi, this is Timo here,
Hi, this is Shane.
and we are going to do something really special today.
Since holiday season is right around the corner, we thought to make something
Being
sweet,
and that is
very easy. And I thought to make something really sweet and simple, and we call it Brown Boy Magic.
So now let's go through the ingredients. Shane, go ahead.
We have organic truffle and organic coconut milk.
And some chocolates.
And before we go to the chocolate, we need to say how we're going to find these two.
These organic products, you can find it at the organic way by Bio Foods.
Of course. And then, yes, we have some sliced chocolates and some cashew nuts and some sliced strawberries. Let's get started. We're going to add some fresh organic coconut milk. The next step is we're going to add some truffle. Okay, let's add some yummy chocolates into this. Make sure the chocolate is nice and melted. Who said we can't have fun with organic food?
I know, right?
It's yummy. So before we pour it, we need to make sure it's little cold.
What do you mean I can't have it now?
No, you can't have it now. It has to go inside the fridge for overnight. It's done. Let it keep inside the freezer for 6 to 8 hours and see what happens.
Finally, we are going to taste this, and thanks to Shane, he saved something for me from last night.
Yeah, and let's eat our brown boy magic. Dig into it.
You just made it and you just had the first piece. How bad is that?
Holy shit. It's yummy. I'm not even joking.
I'm speechless. So yummy.
Thank you, Jesus.